Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Dogecoin from XMO to MetaMask in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin on XMO and want to move it to your MetaMask wallet for more decentralized control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since crypto evolves quickly. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an XMO account with some Dogecoin, a MetaMask wallet installed on your browser or mobile app, and the Dogecoin network added to MetaMask. If you haven't added it yet, go to MetaMask settings, click on Networks, and add the Dogecoin network manually using the RPC details you can find online. Don't worry, I'll link resources in the description. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and switch to the Dogecoin network. Copy your MetaMask wallet address by clicking on the account icon. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Keep this safe. It's your destination for the transfer. Next, log into your XMO account. Head over to the wallet section, select Dogecoin, and choose the withdrawal option. Paste your MetaMask address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Before confirming, enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure to account for any network fees. XMO might charge a small fee, and Dogecoin transactions have their own gas fees, so start with a test amount if you're new to this. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Check your MetaMask wallet periodically to see if the Dogecoin has arrived. If it doesn't show up, verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like dogechain.info using the Texas ID from XMO. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to boost security, and never share your private keys. By 2025, with more advanced protocols, this process might get even smoother, but the basics remain the same. There you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from XMO to MetaMask. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.